Hello again from Benidorm, Spain. Thank you again for clicking my video. Today we're gonna have a walk along Levante beach in Benidorm. So happy today. People are at the beach having fun, sunbathing, and some people sitting at the terrace bar. Business start going and the sun is shining on this beautiful day. Hello, good morning from Levante Beach, Benidorm. Cracking day today. 17, well more 20 degrees on the beach front. And people are already sunbathing here. As you see, there's lots of activities going on at Levante Beach today, and more people are coming, but I think they're just domestic tourists from within Spain. Most terrace cafes, bars, and restaurants are open, but some of them are still shut. Some hotels are also open and seems they're having guests. For now, you're free to walk in and out of the beach, and you're also free to wander around and sit at the terrace cafe. Let's see what's the new measures gonna be on the 15th of March. It's really nice to see Benidorm like this. It's coming back to life and lots of people enjoying the sun today. Now we're gonna sit at the cafe to enjoy the view while having an afternoon snack or brunch. Happy face, happy day. That's it, our walk in a beautiful day. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want more videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button below and hit the like button. If you want me to show you some places that you missed from Benidorm, please write down in the comment section below. To share some love, you can make donations to the link also in the description box below. Kisses from Benidorm and stay safe.